On the Rently listing, you will see the option to self-tour now. Clicking on the button will prompt you to create an account if you don't already have one. Next, you'll schedule a date and time to tour the property. After you make your appointment, you'll be sent a link via text message to complete the identity verification process, where you'll be asked to provide a face scan, photo ID, and credit card information. When it's time for your tour, we'll text you a link to check in with directions to the property and where to find the lock or lockbox. Once you've located it, input the serial number on the top into your phone to receive your access code. If the property has a lockbox, press the Enter button in the bottom right of the keypad to wake up the lockbox before entering the code. Make sure that each button beeps when you press it. When you have correctly entered the code, hit the Enter button to confirm, and the lockbox will make a whirring sound before opening. Use the key inside to open the door. Close the lockbox and hold on to the key so that you can return it at the end of your tour. If the property has a smart lock, wake the keypad by holding your hand over it. Enter the code and then press the check mark to unlock the door. If the door does not unlock, hit the check mark again to clear the keypad, then enter the code again. You can now safely tour the property and take your time exploring the space. When you leave, enter the provided exit code into the lockbox to return the key to the key holder inside. Make sure you hear it click shut. Upon completion of your self-guided tour, you will be prompted to answer a few questions about your interest in the property. In your Rently Renter account, under the Your Tour tab, you can view your completed tours and submit applications.